Do this to remove blackheads from the nose at home in 5 minutes or less. Blackheads are something you did not like anyone, because they are difficult and more difficult to remove in the nose, which mainly seems to never go away. This is very common in both women and men, although some do not give them much importance. Besides, these unsightly spots usually appear in any areas of our face like the nose, chin, cheeks, or even around the lips. The good news is that there is a natural and quick solution that will surprise you. Therefore, in this video we detail how you can get rid of them quickly and easily. So take note for you to apply these amazing tricks and look your flawless skin without blackheads. You need 1. A little lemon. 2. A little sea salt. The combination of both creates a perfect face cleanser that works effectively. And it is because citric acid lemon acts against germs that hide in the pores on the nose to let our most healthy and beautiful skin. Furthermore, the salt is a great antibacterial. It allows pores to open completely, allowing blackheads out of that area of the body. Now with this simple trick you can do from the comfort of your home, and the best part is very economical and can have a flawless complexion. Follow these steps to remove blackheads. 1. 1 tablespoon of salt C. 2. Half teaspoon lemon, squeezed. 3. 1 tablespoon water. 4. In a bowl mix all ingredients. 5. Then apply this mask on the black spots in a circular motion for 2 or 3 minutes. 6. Let dry the mixture on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. 7. Rinse your face with warm water. 8. And again finish washing your face, but with cold water to close the pores.